Hello everyone, my name is Dipesh Tanwar. Today we are focusing on chapter sets, section 1.2. So this is your question 3b. So let's understand this question first before solving the question. So here in an examination out of 200 students, so your total number of students is 200. That means NU is equal to 200 and 70 succeeded in English. 70 succeeded, okay, succeeded in English, and 80 in mathematics, 60 in Nepali, 35 in English as well as mathematics. That is the intersection of English and mathematics. So 25 English as well as Nepali, that is intersection of English and Nepali, and 35 Nepali as well as mathematics, intersection of Nepali and mathematics. 10 succeeded in all three subsets, that means intersection of all three sets. Here you have to draw the Venn diagram and find the number of students who didn't succeed, remember that, in all three subjects. That means you have to find the complement of union of three sets. So let's consider three sets M, N, E, which contains students who succeeded in math, Nepali and in English respectively. So first of all, let's write the given part. So given is NU, total number of students is 200, N English, N Nepali and mathematics. So NE is your how much? 70. NE is your 70, write it down. N Nepali is your 60, so write it down 60 over here. And M is your 80, write it down over here. And intersection, it says that English as well as mathematics is your 35, E and M. Intersection of English and mathematics is equal to 35, and intersection of English as well as Nepali is your 25. English and Nepali is your 25, and it says that intersection of maths and Nepali is your 35. Maths and N is equal to 35, and intersection of all three sets, that means 10 succeeded in all three subjects, that is E and M and N is equal to 10. So here the blue and red shaded part means your intersection of English and mathematics, and the orange and red shaded part means intersection of English and Nepali, and the red and the green shaded part gives you intersection of mathematics and Nepali. So first of all, we see that intersection of all three sets, that is the red shaded part, is your 10. So first of all, plug this value in your Venn diagram. So the red part should be 10, so write it down over here. And it says that the blue and red shaded part is the intersection of E and M, where E and M is your how much? 35, and the red shaded part is your already 10. So what is the left value for blue shaded part? 35 minus 10, 25, right? So write it down 25 over here. And let's look at the orange and red shaded part. Orange and red shaded part is the intersection of English and Nepali. So English and Nepali, so you already got red shaded part as 10, and intersection this part is how much? 25. So your red part is your 10, and the orange part should be 25 minus 10, how much? 15. So your orange part is your 15, right? And you have red and green shaded part as the intersection of mathematics and Nepali, which is actually 35. This is your 35, and your red shaded part is 10. So now what is the green shaded part? 35 minus 10, that is 25. 25 is green shaded part, so note it down over here. That's your 25. So now look at the value NE. Your NE is how much? 70. So you already got in NE, you already have the value of blue, red, and orange. So left is this part. So now add the red value, this value, the red value, the blue value, and the orange value. Add 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 15, 50. So how much left now? 20. So 70 minus 50 is your 20. So write it down over here. 20. So look at the NM. NM is yours 80. Here you have 25, you have 10, you have 25. Add 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 10, 60. So what is this part? 80 minus 60, 20, right? So write it down over there. This is your 20. So now look at this part, N. So N is 60. So you already have 25, 10, 15. 25 plus 10, how much? 35. 35 plus 15, 50. So what is this part? 60 minus 50, that is 10. So write it down over here, 10. Okay, so now let me erase this. So now you have M, N, E. So now look at these sets, add all the digits that you see inside these three sets, add 25, add 20, 25, 25, 10, 20, 15, 10. That gives you the union of three sets. That means your N, N, E, U, M, U, N is equal to 20 plus, look here, 25 plus 10 plus 25 plus 20 plus 15 plus 10. That will be 20 plus 25, how much? 45. 45 plus 10, 55. 55 plus 25, 80. 80 plus 20, 100. 100 plus 15, 115. 115 plus 10, 125. That's your 125. And look here, your U is 200, and all these M, N, N, this union is how much? 125. That's your 125. So how much left outside this set? The total is 200. This sets union is 125. How much outside left? 200 minus 125, 75. So 75 goes outside the set. So what does that digit means actually? Since we considering these sets as the succeed in English, mathematics, and Nepali, what does that 75 means here? 75 means the 75 students are not included in that sets. That means the 75 student does not succeed in these subjects. So which gives you answer for part B. So here for part B, the number of students who didn't succeed in all three subjects is equal to 75, which comes from 200 minus 125, which is actually NU minus N EUMUN. This is your N EUMUN complement, right? So that's your 75. This is the answer. All right, thank you.